In this video we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 10. With that we will also run a sample Python program. Go to the web browser. On Google type Python and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website python.org. Keep the cursor on the downloads menu and the current version is visible. Here it is, Python 3.14.3. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Select use admin privileges while installing py. After that select add Python to path. Click customize installation here. Optional features are visible. It will install pip, which is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install IDLE or idle, which is an IDE to run Python programs. Click next. Advanced options. Select install Python for all users. Rest keep as it is. Python will get installed in the following location. Click install. The setup started. Let's wait. We have installed Python. Its written setup was successful. Click close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Here type Python -- version and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Python. Click close. Now let us run our first program. For that go to start. Type IDLE. I hope you remember we installed this while installing Python. Click open. Now let us run our first program. I'll use the print method to print my name. So whatever you'll add inside this method will get printed. For output, press enter. Okay, now let us save this program. Go to file. Click save as. Let's say I'll save it on the desktop and I'll give it a name, demo. Let's say you can give any name. It will automatically add the .py extension because Python files are by default selected. Click save. So we have saved the program here. For a free 5-hour Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free notes. Thank you for watching.